how to use the YouTube QR code. So if you want to use the YouTube QR code, then what you need to do is you just need simply open up your YouTube application at first. After that, you need to search for a channel. Now, once you're on your channel, you need to just simply go with the top right, which has that 3 dots. And here you will have share option. You need to tap on share. And once you tap on share, you'll have the QR code on the bottom of your screen. You need to tap on the QR code and it will give you the QR code of the channel. Once you have the channel, you need to tap on save to camera roll and the QR code has been saved or the image has been saved. Now you can go to your Facebook, Instagram, or any other social media application where you would like to share it and then share the QR code. And once the other person scans the QR code, then they will be redirected to the YouTube channel that you've just shared. That's how you can use your YouTube QR code. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.